Today we're building a raised bed garden, completely free of cost. No store-bought materials, no fancy tools. Everything we'll use is already lying around in our garden. It's simple, it's natural, and it's a great way to reuse what we have. So, let's jump right into it. The first step is to prepare the spot. We cleared the area where our raised bed will go, removing weeds, stones, and old roots. It's always good to start with a clean, flat surface. It makes building easier and ensures water spreads evenly later on. Once the area was clear, we marked the shape of our bed. You can make it as long or as wide as your space allows. Now, let's move to the structure. We're using old bamboo sticks, the same ones we used last year for our trellises. Instead of throwing them away, we're giving them a second life. Bamboo is lightweight, strong, and looks great in the garden. We placed the bamboo sticks along the lines we marked earlier. This gave us the basic frame of our bed, strong, simple, and entirely free. Next comes the fun part, building the sides. For that, we turn to our mulberry tree. Its branches are flexible and perfect for bending into shape. You can easily curve them without breaking, which makes them ideal for creating the sides of a raised bed. But if you don't have mulberry branches, you can use willow or guava branches too. Willow bends smoothly and looks neat, while guava branches are tougher and give a solid natural look. We took the mulberry branches and gently bent them to fit along the bamboo frame. To keep everything in place, we tied the branches together with rope. The rope holds them tight and prevents the sides from moving. You don't need any fancy wire. Even old garden twine works fine. Once tied, the frame starts to look like a real raised bed. Strong, rustic, and completely natural. Now, let's fill it up. We didn't use any layers of organic waste, compost, or leaves. Just simple materials from our garden. First, we added regular garden soil to fill most of the space. Then, on top, we spread a good layer of fully decomposed manure. This manure is well-aged, soft, and rich in nutrients, perfect for plants. Since it's completely decomposed, it won't harm roots or cause any heat buildup. It's one of the best natural fertilizers you can use for a new bed. After filling, we leveled the soil with a shovel, making sure the surface was even. Then, we watered the bed thoroughly. Watering helps the soil settle and firm up. Once the water soaked in, the surface became smooth and steady, ready for planting. And there it is, our free raised bed garden, made with nothing but natural materials and a bit of effort. You can start planting right away. The combination of garden soil and decomposed manure gives your plants everything they need to grow strong and healthy. The best thing about this method is how simple and sustainable it is. You're not buying wood, nails, or plastic boards. You're using what nature already gave you: bamboo, tree branches, rope, and soil. The result is a raised bed that blends beautifully with the garden, looks organic, and costs nothing. So before spending money on ready-made garden beds, take a look around your own garden. You might have everything you need waiting to be reused. Bamboo sticks, flexible branches like mulberry, willow, or guava, some soil, and decomposed manure. That's all it takes. With a few hours of work, you can build a strong, natural raised bed that will last season after season. Now that our bed is ready, it's time to plant. You can grow vegetables, herbs, or even flowers. Anything you like. It's a satisfying feeling to see plants growing in something you built yourself, especially when it costs nothing at all. Gardening doesn't always need money. Sometimes it just needs creativity and a little hard work.